What is are AI agents for you, and what kind of technology we are going to discuss today?
So here's one disruptive thing I'd like to say right here. I actually don't like the name of agent. Okay. And I know that everybody are using this. I know why. We all know why. It's a very descriptive, very clear name. Though to me, agent sounds like something which will take the work from people and steal the jobs from people. I believe it's not the case. I believe those AI agents would be better called AI assistants, because I do believe that, yes, those instances, those entities, let's call them AI agents, they can do the job, but they would not take the jobs out of people, if you understand what I mean. So they would do for your actual work, small parts of routinely repeatable jobs. But I doubt that they are designed, intended to completely substitute human being in its profession, if you would, in its jobs and its duties. So big helper, to me, AI agent, it's like a junior employee of you or your company, your personal assistant, which is human-like, meaning that it understands and may behave like a human, can conversate with you, can understand what you mean, can react on what you want to get. Second, it understands the context. So that virtual assistant would work for you one way, for me the other way, understanding who we are and looking at the specifics of our work, of the data about us and around us. And third, it's educatable instance. It's educatable something agent, for example. So when we do something, it learns. And if it goes like this, then we may believe that junior employees, AI agents, would become an employees and then senior employees and then help us more and more and more. And the sky is only the limit.